clap for sound. Alright. Hi, I'm Clement.
I'm Alexa.
And today we unboxing the package sent from Acer. What do you think it is?
I have no idea.
But we're about to find out, right?
Yes.
Alright. So when unboxing, it's usually good to have an unboxing knife, or you can get a scissor. We don't have a knife as yet, but would you like to do the honors to cut it?
Yes.
So for the kids out there, when you're using a scissor, always have a parent close by. Alright, so Alexa's gonna do this unboxing or cutting the plastic. I'll hold it for you. You can cut it. Awesome. I'm gonna cut it some more on that side. Oh, you're cutting it down that way. Awesome. The plastic a bit too tough.
Yes.
That's cool. Alright, I tell you what. So we've made a hole, and I'll put this as the side. Like I said before, all the children out there when you're making cuts, have parent close by. So what we got here is, so this is the Acer wireless portable LED projector model C250. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Did you get model C250?
Yes.
Did you get the projector part?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Alright, so just for the guys out there, this is what it looks like if you check out the front. And now we will just open it up. So what's cool about this projector is it's portable, so you can take it just about anywhere. If you're hanging out with your friends, if you need to do a presentation, or if you guys just want to chill and watch some movies. What do you think you'd want to do with the projector?
I want to watch a movie.
Is there anything specific you want to see?
No, thank you.
So, just to go about, let's see what we got from the onset.
Wow, that's cool.
So this is it. Comes surrounded by a lot of foam. If I can get it out for you guys. And that's it. Ah, there's a little light. So I'll put that piece there. Also in the box, I'll just put these covers over here. So also in the box, obviously with everything portable, you're going to need a charger or power adapter. We got this as well. I'll put that over. So we got the remote control, so we can actually take charge of the functions of the device, which is cool. So I'll put that over there. And we got the travel bag. So if you guys want to have a sleepover, maybe you want to do a projector or a movie watching, you can take it along in this bag. Put it there. And as per usual, like with all electronics, so we got our warranty card, and it comes in a variety of languages. How many languages do you speak? Okay, there's a little bit of Spanish in the mix as well. And then obviously we have our quick start guide, and that's basically just help you get set up on the device. Let's look at the port selection. Just to look around the device, we have a USB port, your charging port, your menu, and then we have a variety of ports at the back, which includes SD card, HDMI, and it basically depends what you feel like doing with this device or how you're going to manage this device. But basically cover that in my full review, and that's about it. So for now, that has been our unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you guys have enjoyed Alexa's company as well. Is there anything that you wish to say?
I have said nothing.
So if you like this content, firstly, please give it a like. I hope you guys have a good day, and goodbye.